A very bright morning to one and all. Today we are starting Lesson 4 Countable and Uncountable Nouns of English Grammar. Learning Objective. Students will be able to recognize and explain the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. What are countable nouns? The names of things which we can count are countable nouns. For example, children. As you can see, there are many children in the picture. We can count how many children are there. So, children are the countable nouns. Next example is pencil. We can count the pencils easily. So, pencils are countable nouns. As you can see, many books are there in the picture and we can count the number of books. So books is the example of countable noun. Next is uncountable nouns. What are these? The names of things which we cannot count are uncountable nouns. For example, water. We cannot count. We cannot count like 1, 2, 3. So water is an example of uncountable noun. Milk. We cannot count the milk. So milk is also an example of uncountable noun. Grains. There are many grains. We cannot count the grains. So grains is also an example of uncountable noun. Let's test your understanding. Tell which of the following are countable nouns and which are uncountable nouns. Chairs. Can you tell me which kind of a noun is it? Is it countable or uncountable? Yes, chairs are countable nouns. Next is honey. Can we count honey? No, we cannot. So honey is an example of uncountable noun. You can see many cars in this picture. Can we count the cars? Yes, we can. So cars is an example of countable nouns. Next is rice. Can we count rice? No, we cannot. So rice is an example of uncountable noun. Next is balls. As you can see, many balls are there in the picture. Can we count balls? Yes, we can. So balls is the example of countable nouns. Hope the concept of countable and uncountable nouns are clear to you.